There's many different ways to work with the software. So, for example, let's say I'm using sports code or Next Sports, or I have data XML from Scout, from Instat, etc. I can go here to the three dots and import an XML. So I can import an XML from any of those that I just mentioned, and you see it here. I can also add another video, and if you need to synchronize the second video, the third, you can add many videos, and with the XML, you can utilize this functionality here, the Sync Manager, where it shows the video, and the orange part is the data in the XML. So I click on the XML. Here I would see all the list of codes. I select on the code, and I can hopefully, or ideally, you have a code called kickoff, and then just click on whatever it is, the event that you want to synchronize it with. The video will go there, and then you just snap it. So I just imported an XML, but I can also create codes in the platform. So I'm inside this video that is fully tracked, and I imported the XML, but I can go to this plus button here and add a new coding file. So if I click on plus, it adds a new file here, you name it, new codes, click on the file, now I'm inside the coding platform. If I click here, I go to the code manager. And in code manager, I go to this plus and I can create a new code. So let's say we create a new code called goal. You added a shortcut, let's say letter G, change the color of the code if you want, yellow. And here you see lead time and lag time. So this is the start time and end time. So that means every time I press G, it will make a cut, clip, label it as a goal, and cut 10 seconds before and 10 seconds after. If I want to change it, of course, I can change it 2 seconds before, 12 seconds after. If I leave these unselected, every time I press G, it will start recording the screen until I press G again. For example, this is used a lot in corner kicks. You press C, or corner kick, before the corner kick, and you press C again when the action finishes. So this is up to you. Here you have the code. Next time I log in, this code will be down here. So the ones at the top are the codes I'm going to use for this video now, and the ones at the bottom are all the codes I created in the past. So now I can go down here and say, for example, I want to use this code, corner kick, and I just push it up like this. Shot on target, pressure, ball lost. Let's say I want to utilize those 5 codes, and I have those 5 codes here now. I can close, and I see the 5 codes here on the left. I switch it to on. Switch it to on here, coding mode on. Here you see the letters, and here you see how many there are and the names. And then just about watching the game, and there's a goal. I press G. Now you see it says here 1 goal. You see here a yellow mark where the goal is, and I continue. There's a corner kick. Corner kick didn't have a start and end time, so if I press C, it shows here recording event and here a timer. When the action is finished, I press C again, and then it will cut it. See here the mark, and here 1 corner kick. And I do the same for all. There's a shot on target, there's a pressure, and you code the whole game, the whole video, training, whatever, like that. I'm just making now some random codes here, just to show you later how to utilize them. And now I can switch this to off. You can also do coding live. Here you see live mode off. You can switch this to on and do live coding on. Do live coding during the game. The difference is that you cannot stream the video on Metrica Play. So you would go to Metrica Cloud, create a video project in Metrica Cloud, but don't upload the video because there's no video. The game hasn't been played. Then download the video project to Metrica Play. And once it's on Metrica Play, you can go here, add the codes, switch this to on, the live mode on, and code the game as it happens. When the game is finished, you'll go back to Metrica Cloud and upload the video and track it. And when it's tracked, the data will get downloaded automatically, and the game will be already fully tagged or coded. Right, so one way or another, we just created an XML here, a coding, and here we imported the XML.